Do you have a message for your colleagues in primary care, other healthcare professionals working in primary care?
I suppose what I would say is that, look, we all know that medicines is still the number one intervention used in healthcare. It's huge. There are huge potential problems ahead in relation to people getting older, more and more medicines, more and more conditions, and we need to manage that. And so pharmacy professionals working in primary care are an absolute necessity. They're not a luxury, they're a necessity. And the optimal use of medicines is important for the health and well-being of all people within the community in which they work. And so I have this final view about problematic polypharmacy, which drives a lot of what I do, which is, look, if we just keep adding medicines and never subtracting, we multiply the problems. That is what I'm trying to sort.